This is my second video on plotting straight line graphs. In the previous video, this is what I plotted. Y equals 2x minus 3. But this time I'm doing y equals half x plus 4. So they all look almost identical. I've got an x term here, over here, and I've got a number term, and the y is on the left hand side of the equal sign. So they're very similar. These are straight line graphs. Also notice I've got nothing here, no grid, so I'll be constructing that as well. Right, what you do to start off with, always start on the right hand side with the positive numbers because they're easy to work out. So replace the x with 3. So you'll have half times the 3 add 4. Half of 3 is 1.5. 1.5 add 4 is 5.5. Next, replace the x with 2. Half times 2 add 4. Half of 2, half times 2 is 1. 1 add 4 is 5. Replace the x with 1. So we have half times 1 add 4. Half of 1 is a half. So half plus 4, 4.5. Replace the x with 0. Half times 0 is 0. Add the 4, it's 4. You can see a pattern here. 5.5, 5, 4.5, 4, 3.5, 3, 2.5. They're going down in steps of halves by 0.5. Now I need to draw a graph, and you're probably thinking, well, how do I get started? How big are the axes going to be? Well, the largest numbers we got on the x-axis, the largest and the smallest, is -3 and 3. And going along the y-axis, the biggest number we have is 5.5, and the smallest number we have 2.5. So, probably won't be needing this anyway, but I just left it there. Right, so you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, -1, -2, -3. That's my x-axis. 5.5, well, let me just start off with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's enough. And I'm not going to bother with this. So 3 along the corridor, 5.5 up the stairs, 3, 5.5. 2 and 5, 2 along the corridor, 5 up the stairs. 1 and 4.5, 1 and 4.5. 0 and 4. -1, 3.5. -1, 3.5. And notice these are merging. They're following the path of a straight line. So if you accidentally get across somewhere random, it's obviously going to be wrong because I'm trying to draw a straight line. -2 and 3, -2 and 3. Finally, -3 and 2.5. -3, 2.5. Right, a lot of people forget to join the crosses. So join the crosses then. So that's your straight line graph.